Hello and welcome back. Today I'm working on an Easter sugar scrub, and sugar scrub that will be part of an Easter project. Here is my Easter type of surprise box. It's something that I made myself with some paper. If you're interested, I will leave the link down in the description where you can see how you can make these customizable boxes here just using normal paper. You don't need many ingredients. What you will need is a foaming bath butter. This is basically a soap base that is designed to be whipped and very, very easy to work with. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but if you want to make a sugar scrub that is really like soapy, like a whipped soap containing sugar in it, it's absolutely worth it. The recipe for this sugar scrub is, of course, linked down in the description as well. So let's add this soap base here in the bowl that I have. Also, I just want to say that I'm gonna be using a hand mixer just because I feel that I have a better control in it. But of course, if you do have a stand mixer, that's totally up to you. I'm not gonna be making a huge amount this time here. It's just for a little try and see how I like it. And if you're interested to see some packaging ideas, stay till the end because I always share some tips and tricks or inspiration. And then what I'm gonna do is add just some regular sugar to it. And a good thing about this type of mixture here is that depending on the way you like your scrub, maybe you like it more on the sugary side or on the grainy side, maybe you like it more smooth. You know, depending on what you like, you can add more or less sugar to it. I like it more on the very sugary side, so I'm adding a good quantity. Now, once you have your mixture here, you wanna take your hand mixer or stand mixer, depending on what you prefer. Make sure if you use a hand mixer that you use ones with sturdy whisks, not the flimsy ones, because especially at the beginning of the whipping process, it can be a little bit more on the hard side, so they have the tendency to break. So I'm just gonna go in. So when your mixture looks like this, I don't know if you can see it, it's really like a nice creamy consistency. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and add some colorant and fragrance to your mixture. I'm gonna use this green mica here, lime green. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. I can always add more if I feel I have to. But you can never take it back, so it's good to start a little bit on with small steps, so to speak. Then I have this pink bean fragrance. Again, you can use any fragrance that you like. Probably a bit difficult to tell on camera, but it's a nice light green. I don't want to overpower it, and it really looks amazing. And this is an amazing exfoliation for your skin. Okay, so now let's go ahead for the packaging. I do have these muffin liners here that come with a lid, and I think it's a great idea. Let's see how this works. These are the little lids here I can add on top. And to make things easier, you could also pipe it. I mean, that would be a great idea too, but I would like to see how I can make it like with maybe two blobs. Also, this scoop really helps because it's a very practical way and very clean way to package the sugar scrub. Okay. Now we can just go ahead and add the lid to it, like so, and then add the labels to it. This looks really cool. What do you think? So here are all the sugar scrubs, and then I just add it to such a bag here, and then we could take a ribbon fitting to the theme. Green one is always good for spring. And then I do have these labels here. You could add it directly to the bag here, or let's say you want to do an extra step and then go ahead and then add it to the ribbon. Isn't this a cool packaging idea? Of course, there are many other variations that you can make. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in other skincare related little DIY projects, please check out the playlist here on the screen where you can find many more. I hope to see you in the next video, and I wish you a wonderful day. Bye bye!